Oh man.
I'm like Tarzan.
Oh, no, we're not bringing that home with us. We can't bring that home.
Look at him. What is he doing to his turtle buddy?
I'm pretty sure it's like an affectionate thing.
Really?
Like, yeah, so when they do that, I could be totally wrong.
Oh man.
I'm like Tarzan.
I just got dirt in my face, all from you. Oh, no, we're not bringing that home with us. We can't bring that home. We can't bring it home. It won't fit in the van. It won't fit.
How good I'm doing.
Drop it. Drop it, Jay. Drop it now. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy. Too tall.
Too tall. That's never happened to you before.
Did you get it?
Yep. Want to see?
Yeah. Just some regular van maintenance.
Brucey was very low on air. He was suffocating.
He was suffocating.
Yeah, his tires were.
Hey, Miss Nina, where are we?
Hilton Head, South Carolina.
Toasting up already, huh?
Yeah, so I get the tan that I missed out on all summer. Jay's watching me record and I'm getting embarrassed. Jay and I love Raising Cane's. It's our favorite fast food. But some of his friends from the South said Zaxby's is 1,000 times better. So that's where we're at tonight, and we are going to compare the two. We just met the manager who said we're never going to go back to Raising Cane's after trying their food here. So we'll have to see. We've got wings, fries, Texas toast, lots of sauce, and chicken tenders, and sweet tea. Initial thoughts.
Sauces are good. Just more variety. It's gonna take time to set.
We are in a Walmart parking lot, and on a drive over here, I was making dinner in the toaster oven, and then the toaster oven shut off, and now the fridge is off, and nothing's charging.
Our fuses blew up.
Yeah.
Cue the explosion. Explode Nina's face. Right here, look.
Luckily, we're at Walmart, so they probably have more fuses, and we just have to go inside and buy more. At least that's how I think it works. Jay will actually do it.
Good thing Jay's so smart and did everything perfect.